Quick thread education here. I want to take this opportunity to explain how this works. And I do have some peeling because I do chemical peels more in the summer than the winter. Get the pigment off right away so I don't have to play catch up. So that's a separate issue. Anyway, so this weekend I put some threads in my forehead here to lift my right eye. I'm still working on this. I had an injury to this eye almost 3 years ago. I'm still working on it. And so I have some barbed threads in here. You can see this little buckle here. You see how it like ledges out here? So for education's sake, I'm going to exaggerate here. So thread, okay, and then there's barbs on it. So there's like these little tentacles on it. And the skin drapes, you put the thread in, and the skin drapes over those barbs. So it's kind of like hanging there, suspended, if you will, or repositioned. That's normal. So for a week or two, you can have some what looks like buckling, you know, so like little step off. That's okay. That's normal. The tissue is integrating into that really hardy, thick, strong thread, and you know it's fibrosis occurring, growth of new skin cells around that thread. So you want to just let it do its thing, let it settle. It'll be fine, and all is well. So hope that helped. If not, let me know. I'll try harder.